In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GoCharting Volume Profile. If you've ever wondered where the most trading activity has happened at specific price levels, this tool will make that crystal clear and help you spot areas of interest like support, resistance, and fair value zones. Start by opening a chart of the symbol you want to analyze. That could be a stock, a crypto pair, a futures contract, anything supported on your platform. Make sure you're comfortable with the view you're seeing, because the volume profile will read from what's visible on your chart. Different time frames or zoom levels will naturally change how much data is included in the display. Next, head to the Indicators menu on the top bar. This is where all your analytical tools live. When the panel opens, you'll see either a list you can scroll through or a search field at the top. Typing saves time, especially if the list is long. Now, search for or scroll to Volume Profile. The name you're looking for is simply Volume Profile. Selecting it prepares the chart to overlay a horizontal histogram that maps volume to price levels rather than just across time. This is different from a traditional volume bar at the bottom of the chart, which shows activity per candle. Instead, Volume Profile stacks that information along the price axis to highlight exactly where traders were most active. Finally, click to add it to your chart. You should see a series of horizontal bars appear along the price scale. Taller bars mean more volume was transacted at that price, and shorter bars mean less. Often, you'll notice one particularly prominent level, commonly called the point of control, standing out as the most traded price in the visible range. Clusters of tall bars can hint at areas where price tends to pause or rotate, while thin spots may indicate zones where price can move more quickly. If the display looks dense at first, don't worry. Take a moment to glance up and down the profile and correlate the tall and thin areas with how price behaved historically. Remember, you haven't changed anything about your chart's data. You've simply given yourself a different lens to interpret where participation was strongest. That's all there is to it. Open your chart, go to the Indicators menu, find Volume Profile, and click to add. With those few actions, you unlock a powerful perspective on market structure that can complement any trading approach. Try it on a couple of symbols you follow and observe how the profile aligns with the story price is telling.